So we know we can add devices one at a time by clicking add and tediously filling out device by device. What I thought I would do is add, and let's go to it, device import. And this says order of CSV file should be, and then it gives us the order. Choose a file, and it only accepts CSV files. So on my desktop, I have this bulk import file with two devices that are part of the CML, Cisco Modeling Lab sandbox that I've reserved. And let's try to just, I don't know, this is crazy if this works. We're going to click choose file, we're going to click bulk import, and we're going to say upload. And now let's refresh. Do we have... We have two devices in the database. You could put 1,000,000 devices in here if they were all in one big spreadsheet. You could build it from Prime or DNA or your Ansible host file or your old YAML file for PyETS. CSV bulk import did this in maybe an hour today. Amazing. Thank you.